Unforgettable experiences on a budget. Create lasting memories without breaking the bank. Whoever said you need to empty your wallet to have unforgettable experiences clearly hasn't explored the world of budget-friendly adventures. Contrary to popular belief, there are numerous extraordinary experiences waiting for you that won't cost a fortune. In this post, we'll guide you through a series of unforgettable experiences you can enjoy without stretching your budget. So, buckle up and get ready to create memories that will last a lifetime. 1. Discover the great outdoors. Nature offers a treasure trove of breathtaking experiences that won't cost you a dime. Whether it's camping under a star-studded sky, hiking through scenic trails, or picnicking in a picturesque park, immersing yourself in the wonders of nature provides ample opportunities for unforgettable moments. Pack a backpack with some snacks, gather your loved ones, and embark on an adventure you'll cherish forever. 2. Explore local culture. Immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of your local culture and uncover hidden gems within your own backyard. Visit museums, art galleries, and exhibitions on days when admission fees are waived or when discounted tickets are available. Attend local festivals, street fairs, and free concerts to experience the vibrant spirit of your community without straining your budget. 3. Embark on a road trip. Hit the road with your friends or family and explore nearby towns and cities. Road trips offer the perfect balance of adventure and affordability. Plan an itinerary that includes visits to historical landmarks, scenic viewpoints, and off-the-beaten-path attractions. Capture stunning photos and create lasting memories while enjoying the freedom of the open road. 4. Try local street food. Indulge in the flavors of a new city by sampling their local street food. Food markets, food trucks, and local stalls often offer mouth-watering delicacies at affordable prices. Savoring unique dishes not only fills your stomach but also provides a glimpse into the local culinary traditions, creating a truly unforgettable experience. 5. Volunteer for a cause. Contributing your time and skills to a worthy cause not only adds meaning to your journey but also offers opportunities to meet new people and create lasting memories. Volunteer at a local charity, help out at an animal shelter, or participate in community cleanup events. The sense of fulfillment derived from making a positive impact within your community is invaluable. Conclusion. Unforgettable experiences need not come with a hefty price tag. By embracing these budget-friendly adventures, you can create cherished memories without breaking the bank. So, go out there and embrace the world around you. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting travel tips, inspiration, and guides. Thanks for watching. End of post.